Welcome to this video on programmatic motion graphics. We will explore a new approach to creating video content using code and natural language prompts. We are witnessing a paradigm shift. The legacy era involved manual keyframes and long rendering times. The code era allows for natural language prompts, version-controlled code, and instant, iterative previews. First, install the Remotion plugin inside the Codex desktop app. Initialize a blank canvas project and set the intelligence engine to GPT-5.5 high. Creative taste is now the only bottleneck. Next, generate a baseline with a simple natural language prompt, such as create a video with a white background and a text flying in saying hello world. This scaffolds the entire project structure without manual coding. Prompt the AI to start the project and launch the live canvas. The Remotion UI opens instantly, revealing a live, scrubbable timeline of the code-generated video. The video is now a dynamic function of images over time. You can inject local assets by dropping custom transparent PNGs into the project folder. Reference them instantly in the LLM prompt using the @ symbol for immediate context on visual assets. Push the engine's limits by describing the exact mood and aesthetic. Direct the lighting, background textures, and kinetic typography all in plain English. To debug, if the programmatic code fails, don't write error logs. Instead, paste a screenshot of the error into the chat, and the AI will suggest a fix. Command the AI like a director of photography for object choreography. Detail exact spatial motion, physical connections, and complex lighting transitions to build interactions between independent assets. Refine the frame layout instantly through iterative composition polish without touching a manual keyframe, simply by giving updated prompts. The LLM excels at OS simulation and UI generation. By prompting for specific visual archetypes, such as macOS-style buttons, you can generate realistic screen replacements entirely through code. For the final polish, address unnatural elements and layer in complex transition effects in the final sequence, moving from prototype to production quality. The architecture of a motion prompt maps unstructured chat into a replicable engineering formula across 4 foundational pillars: action, assets, aesthetics, and timing. Once the sequence is perfected in the live browser preview, command the engine to execute the final render. The compiled React code is dynamically translated into a high-quality, shareable video file. The paradigm of video production has fundamentally shifted. Software mastery is obsolete. Creative vision is the only limit within this continuous feedback loop, from prompt to code to preview and visual debugging.